Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AdGuard DNS for blocking adult and malware domains, full guide step by step clearly. In the address bar, type adguard.com and press enter. Once the AdGuard website loads, click on it to access the DNS product page. You will see information about the features of AdGuard DNS. Scroll down to find the subscription options available. Look for the section labeled AdGuard DNS for Family. Here, you will see different DNS servers listed for blocking adult and malware content. Take note of the DNS addresses provided. Next, go to your network settings. If you are using Windows, right-click on the network icon in the taskbar. Select Open Network and Internet Settings. On the next page, click on Change Adapter Options. You will see a list of your network connections. Right-click on the active connection and select Properties. In the Properties window, find and select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Click on the Properties button below. In the new window, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the primary DNS address from the AdGuard DNS. Enter the secondary DNS address that you noted earlier. Click OK to save your settings. Next, if you are using a Mac, open System Preferences. Click on Network. Select your active network connection, then click on Advanced. Go to the DNS tab. Click the plus button to add a new DNS server. Enter the AdGuard DNS addresses you obtained before. Click OK and then apply to save changes. To configure AdGuard DNS on a mobile device, go to your settings. For Android devices, find Network and Internet, then Private DNS. Select Private DNS Provider Hostname. Enter the AdGuard DNS hostname as specified on their website. For iOS devices, go to Wi-Fi and tap the information icon next to your network. Scroll down and tap Configure DNS. Switch it to manual and add the DNS addresses. Make sure to save your changes. Once you've completed these steps, perform a DNS leak test to confirm your settings. Visit a site specifically for DNS leak tests. Ensure that the DNS servers displayed match the AdGuard DNS addresses. Enjoy safer browsing with enhanced content filtering. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.